To debug a service event or a function, we need to select the item we want to debug in the Solution Explorer and hit the Debug button in the toolbar. The Linx designer then switches into debug mode, compiles the selected item and waits for us to start the debugger. Functions and events may expect input data. If a function or event we debug has parameters and expects an input, we can provide this data in the Debug Values panel. When we press the Start button in the toolbar, we can see the output of the debugger in the Debug Output panel. When we hover next to a function or type in the main workspace, we can add a breakpoint. The debugger will then stop before executing the item and show a red line to indicate where it stopped. In the Debug Values panel, we can see all function results and type values in scope. We can use the Step Over button to move the debugger to the next item. To step through child functions, we use Step Into. When the debugger hits an error, detailed information regarding the error is shown in the Debug Output panel. The function or type where the error occurred, the path to the function or event being debugged, the error message the underlying component returned. When we debug a service, the service is started and listens for its events. When it detects an event, it runs the related event handler. Before we can change the solution, we first need to exit debug mode by hitting the Close button in the toolbar.